Today I will share with you what you need to know to grow a successful business on Amazon. Then I will show you how you can buy Helium 10 training, which is almost $1,000 for under 50. 2 years ago, in my Bulgarian YouTube channel, I recorded a video about Amazon FBA and shared with this information. Many people who started their FBA business on Amazon thanks to the Helium 10 course contact me, but still not everyone wants to buy a course. Today I will tell you a part of the things you need to know for free in my channel. What's up? It's Vitan here. As you already know, dropshipping on Amazon is very profitable but unsustainable. My suggestion is to build a stable business on the Amazon FBA. I want to clarify that sustaining doesn't mean easy, because many people starting on Amazon imagine that things will happen like a magic wand. I will tell you why. Today we will look at the following steps. What's the best place to sell as an Amazon retailer if you are a beginner in selling? Ads on Amazon. What does it take to create an Amazon seller account? What are the two main models of trade on Amazon? What are the fees on that market? What is Prime service and how it is work? How to take Helium 10 training. Some time ago it was very fashionable for everyone to start a mini brand in Amazon to compete with an already successful one to take some of its traffic. Many entrepreneurs do this by using the software that I will present you at the end of the video to find the right products and then to find a similar products to sell on Amazon in stock or through an external warehouse. Amazon's platform is huge and its possibilities are limitless. What to do if we are beginners, which market to choose if I started now and were at absolutely zero. I would do that. I will see that the hot topics in my life area, fitness, swimming, cycling and hobbies, I understand, so I can choose the category in which is easiest to break. I have repeatedly said that to sell successfully you must have skills. The most important thing is to understand the idea and how to successfully sell makeup tools. If you are a man and don't understand it, the answer is a lot of reading, which can be avoided if we just focus on the topic we know the most. But that is enough. We also need to know how to work with software to find the right products. The category doesn't have to be super hot here. The product doesn't have to be super interesting. Many people successfully sell products on Amazon that are highly specialized and not hot at first look. I emphasize this because almost everyone is looking for the hottest and most desired products, but this is not mandatory. 2. It's very important whether the chosen product is already sold through other channels, Facebook, Google, Instagram, as we already know the trends on Amazon change in a few months because training for effective advertising is out of date in a few months. Ads only work if we know how to make them. On Amazon, it is not possible to launch a new product at this stage if we don't have a good advertising budget and can't properly set up advertising on the platform. The competition for the new products is very strong and I dare say without advertising that our chances are slim. What does it make to create an Amazon account? In addition to have a company, we must prepare documents. They are ownership documents and a bank account. Before sending the documents, we must translate our documents if we use a company from another country. We have discussed an advantage of having a company abroad. It is advisable to have a company in a local market. If we are on English or Germany company and sell on the local market, there we won't need VAT registration until we reach the threshold. And when we operate With, for example, a Bulgarian company, we have to have VAT registration before we receive the first invoice because Amazon service to us, and that is the law. We can use a bank account on Amazon, but it's important to know Amazon sends the money to the bank account in the currency which we sell. If we sell in a pounds, we must attach a bank account in a local currency and country. The best way is to use a business TransferWise account. Mandatory at the time of verification must be the company. You must provide a bank letter. Every bank I have worked with issues such as a letter. It is important to know that Amazon money arrives 2 weeks late with the new accounts. We will accumulate a balance and the money will come a few weeks after the first sale. Amazon say that the money arrives in 14 days, but you can receive your money every day. If you have any questions, do this in description. Of course, if you receive the money every day, you need to pay extra tax. Number 4. What are the two main models of trade on Amazon? Model 1, FBA, is the most stable model, storing goods in their warehouse. Its main advantage are that we don't have to care about the logistics themselves and that the customers take care of it. Our products will be Prime. I will explain later what exactly Prime means. There is an intermediate option. This is an option where on the one hand we deliver the goods on another. For example, to sell in Germany the products that are in stock in England, but they have to comply with the VAT which we must have in Germany because we sell our goods on their territory. The model number 2 is FBM. It's a model that has become more and more difficult over time. We use this model to make big turnover and the dropshipping method because Amazon doesn't make a difference between FBM and dropshipping. When we can add tracking and prove the origin of the goods, in general, the difference with the FBA model is that we send the goods to the customer. So we don't have to prepay a huge amount of goods unless we have sent them to an external warehouse. Don't forget to subscribe my channel because this video is sponsored by subscribe button. Number 5. Fees on Amazon are as follows. Subscription fee fixed accordingly to the country in which we sell. If we sell something on Amazon, they take 15% of the transaction. Warehouse fee if we use FBA, which is roughly about 25%. There is a table and accordingly to it we can see how much money they take with accuracy, but it's approximately 15% on the transaction plus the fees for delivery, processing and storage. 15% varies by category. If you want to do consultation with me, follow the first link in description of this video and pick your hour in the Calendly. What's the Prime service? It depends on the market we are in. Amazon delivers the goods in 1 or 2 working days. This is a paid subscription for Amazon customers that gives them this option. This means fewer problems. If you are interested in dropshipping, I highly recommend to watch this video, how to start Amazon dropshipping as a beginner in 2022. Thank you. Welcome to my computer. I will show you how to buy Helium 10 course for $50, not for 1,000. Go to the Helium 10 website. You can find it here. After that, sign up for free. And after that, we need to fill some form and go to the upgrade. Right here, return 50, apply, and you will see now that the platinum plan will go with 50% discount. So after you buy the second or the third plan, I highly recommend to buy the third plan because it's much better for the beginners. It's with a lot of more options. After you take the plan, you need to click at Freedom Ticket, and you can use the Freedom Ticket for free when you have already bought a plan. So I highly recommend to buy this course to learn everything about Amazon FBA business, how to use the tools, and how you can rise in this business. This was from me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. This will help me to go and to show my videos to wider audience and to help to a lot of people to start their online journey. Thank you very much.